Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen, and that's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, and then you will hold power button and volume down at the same time. Let's try that again. I did fail that at the same time part. There we go. So when you press them at the same time, you get a screenshot, and it automatically pops up right here with share and edit options. And after a moment, it will disappear. Now, when it disappears, you can find your screenshot by going into your Photos application. And in Google Photos, it should be visible right here under Today. But because some halfway right here is changing the settings and never bringing them back, it doesn't. So, yeah. Anyway, you can also typically navigate to Collections, which are other ways of calling albums. And you should, there we go, have a screenshot album, and you can see, I think this is the screenshot right here. Yep, so the time is correct, right? Yep. So you can definitely find it in your screenshot album no matter what. And here will be probably the easiest way for you to locate all your screenshots, as there won't be anything visible here outside of just all the screenshots. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.